Welcome to the essence of health and wellness, where we uncover the natural secrets of traditional herbs. Today we're diving into the calming and healing world of lavender. Lavender isn't just a beautiful plant, it's a powerhouse of medicinal benefits. From soothing anxiety to healing burns, the capabilities of this aromatic herb are both fascinating and extensive. Here are 15 based on the research and uses documented. Antiseptic properties: helps heal minor burns and bug bites by preventing infection. Anti-inflammatory: reduces inflammation, aiding in the healing process. Anxiolytic benefits: lavender oil capsules can reduce anxiety. Aromatherapy advantages: effective for reducing stress and improving relaxation. Antimicrobial activity: fights against certain strains of bacteria and fungi. Anxiolytic effects: reduces anxiety and improves mood. Anti-inflammatory effects: helps alleviate inflammation in the body. Antinociceptive properties: can reduce the sensation of pain. Antioxidant: protects the body from oxidative stress and damage. Insomnia: relief, promotes better sleep and aids in treating insomnia. Digestive health: used in traditional remedies for digestive discomfort. Skincare: beneficial for skin health, promoting healing and rejuvenation. Respiratory health: used in treating respiratory issues through inhalation. Pain relief: applied topically to alleviate pain from headaches, sprains, and sore muscles. Mood enhancer: improves mood and combats depressive symptoms through its calming scent. If you're intrigued by how natural remedies can enhance your well-being, consider subscribing for more enlightening content. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative and share it with friends who appreciate the healing power of nature.